Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and QuickBooks users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your business life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to send ACH payments in QuickBooks Online for 2025. If you're tired of dealing with checks or wires, ACH payments are a fast, secure way to handle transactions electronically. By the end of this video, you'll be sending payments like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a QuickBooks Online account set up and linked to your bank. This is crucial because ACH payments require direct bank integration. If you haven't done that yet, head to your settings and connect your bank account. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Step 1. Log into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Banking or Transactions menu. Look for the Payments tab. That's where the magic happens. QuickBooks has updated its interface for 2025, making it even more user-friendly, so you should see a clear option for ACH payments. Next, select Send Payment and choose ACH as your payment method. You'll need to enter the recipient's details, like their bank account number and routing number. Double-check these to avoid any errors. Trust me, it's a game changer for accuracy. Now, for the fun part. Enter the amount, add any necessary notes or memos, and review everything. QuickBooks will show you a summary before you confirm. Hit Send, and your payment will be processed electronically. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days, but you'll get notifications every step of the way. One quick tip for 2025. QuickBooks now has enhanced security features, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This keeps your payments safe from any potential issues. And there you have it. That's how you send ACH payments in QuickBooks Online. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for streamlining your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.